Let's start with a big story. This daggers have been drawn closer off. Two key members of the India bloc are publicly fighting against each other with elections in Delhi just around the corner. Aam Aadmi Party, which is eyeing a fourth successive term in the capital, has now accused its national ally, the Congress, of colluding with the BJP in Delhi, claiming that some of the leaders of the Grand Old Party are also being funded by the BJP. This big allegation was made in response to senior Congress leader Ajay Maken calling Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal an anti-national. The open fight between the two parties also stems from Congress's Sandeep Dixit meeting Delhi LG and also filing a complaint against Aam Aadmi Party over their two poll promises, claiming that they are misleading the voters. The Aam Aadmi Party has also warned the Congress that if they fail to take action against Maken within 24 hours, then they will reach out to the other India bloc members and also kick the Grand Old Party out of the alliance. However, Congress leaders in Delhi are now refusing to buckle under Aam Aadmi Party's pressure, saying that whatever Ajay Maken said was absolutely true.
कांग्रेस के बयानों से, कांग्रेस के एक्शन से ये बिल्कुल साफ हो गया है कि दिल्ली के चुनाव के लिए कांग्रेस ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी से सांठगांठ कर ली है। हमें आधिकारिक सूत्रों से पता चला है कि कांग्रेस के जो प्रत्याशी हैं उनका चुनाव का खर्चा भारतीय जनता पार्टी से आ रहा है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी कांग्रेस के प्रत्याशियों की फंडिंग कर रही है। इसमें प्रमुख संदीप दीक्षित जी हैं। अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी को नहीं जिताना चाहती, अगर उनकी भारतीय जनता पार्टी से सांठगांठ नहीं है, तो फिर वो अगले 24 घंटे में अजय माकन के खिलाफ एक्शन लें, जिन्होंने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को एंटी नेशनल कहा।
लेकिन जिस तरह से आम आदमी पार्टी ये भी कह रही है कि इंडिया अलायंस से कांग्रेस को बाहर कर दिया जाएगा, अजय माकन एंटी नेशनल कह रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल को, क्या इन चीजों से कांग्रेस को कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला है?
ना 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 ना, ना इसमें कोई फर्क पड़े। आपको लगता है
24 घंटे का अल्टीमेटम की बात?
अब जैसे मैंने एक और चैनल को कहा कि मतलब आपको लगता है इनके 24 घंटे के अल्टीमेटम से कोई हम डर जाएंगे? मतलब हम लोग कोई डरा दिख रहा है आपको? कोई आपको लग रहा है कि कांग्रेस में हड़कंप मच गया सवेरे से? अरे कुछ नहीं साहब, देखिए ठीक है, वो अपनी बात बोलते हैं, बेचारे हताश हो गए हैं। उनको ये लग रहा है कि दिल्ली में अब उनकी सरकार उनको जाते दिख रही है। जैसे जैसे कांग्रेस जो है जीतने की तरफ बढ़ रही है, और हम जीतने के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, हम क्लियर कर दें, जैसे जैसे कांग्रेस जीतने की तरफ बढ़ रही है और जीतेगी दिल्ली का चुनाव, स्वाभाविक है कि इन्हीं का वोटर हमारे पास ज्यादा आएगा तो बीजेपी का भी। तो सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान इन्हीं को इन्हीं की सीटें हैं। भाई हम ये थोड़ी कह सकते हैं कि बीजेपी से हम सीटें खींचेंगे, उनके पास यही 5-6 सीटें, ज्यादा सीटें हम इन्हीं से खींचेंगे। तो ये डर गए हैं, क्योंकि पंजाब में ये अब कमजोर हो रहे हैं और राज्यों में ये बिल्कुल बचे नहीं हैं, तो घबराए हुए हैं।
My colleague Kritika joins me on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Kritika, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, of course, on the national level are allies, but there were simmering tensions between the two parties ahead of the Delhi elections. But now this has become a full-blown war, with now both the parties, in fact, talking about how each other could be targeted as far as this entire controversy is concerned.
Right, exactly. Even Mr. Sanjay Singh, the Rajya Sabha MP, in the press conference held today, also reiterated how Arvind Kejriwal had in fact campaigned for a lot of Congress candidates, not only in the general elections this year, but also in the elections held in Chandigarh. And now, even how Aam Aadmi Party wanted to form an alliance to fight the Haryana state elections as well. But it was the Congress party that was backing down even then. And now, with the 12-point white paper that they've released against the Aam Aadmi Party government, as well as the FIR filed against Arvind Kejriwal by the Indian Youth Congress, AAP has now given an ultimatum to the Congress party, saying that if an action is not taken against Congress leader Ajay Maken, then they will want to speak to other opposition bloc alliance parties in the India bloc to ask them to remove, in fact, Congress party from the opposition alliance, that is. So this is quite an escalation escalation in the way the relationship between Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, not only now at the level of Delhi state elections, but also as a national alliance partner is also deteriorating. We're also hearing from Congress how they say that this is something that is not going to dissuade them, that they stand by the charges made against Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, it is about, in fact, the two schemes, the two welfare schemes that Arvind Kejriwal had recently launched. First being the Mahila Samman Yojana, a monthly 2,100 rupees for women. And then on top of that, the Sanjeevani scheme for elderly people above the age of 60. Now, both the BJP as well as the Congress party have been alleging that these schemes have not been approved as per norms by through the Department of Health and Women Development as well. And this is the reason why the police complaint has also been made. However, Aam Aadmi Party has on repeat clarified that this is in fact a decision that has been notified by the cabinet, and this is a scheme of not just this is in fact a conspiracy now by not just BJP but also Congress. In fact, the Rajya Sabha MP Mr. Sanjay Singh even went as far as to say that a lot of candidates, including Sandeep Dikshit himself, who will be standing in the elections against Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency, he is also being funded by the BJP. Now, this is what the Chief Minister, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi said today in the press conference. That through credible sources, this is what they're hearing. So definitely, the relationship between these two parties is deteriorating since the release of the two schemes, the announcement by Arvind Kejriwal, and we will be seeing how this will even further intensify
Absolutely.
in the months coming.
In fact,
to the
Kritika,
elections
like you
next
mentioned, there's of course no love lost between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, and of course Sanjay Singh is one of those leaders that has now given Congress an ultimatum that if they don't remove Ajay Maken from the party, then the Congress could be ousted from the India bloc. In fact, speaking of Sanjay Singh now, let's listen into what he had to say.
अब सारी हदें पार हो चुकी हैं, सारी सीमाएं पार हो चुकी हैं। अपमान का, एफआईआर दर्ज कराने का, एंटी नेशनल बोलने का जो दुस्साहस अजय माकन और उनकी पार्टी ने किया है, मैं मांग करता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी से कि 24 घंटे के अंदर अजय माकन के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करें, वरना इंडिया गठबंधन के जो और भी घटक दल हैं उनसे हम लोग मांग करेंगे कि कांग्रेस को इंडिया गठबंधन से अलग करें।